Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Informant. If you are new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, education, placement drives, and many more. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do hit the red button so that you get latest notifications first on your screen. Today we'll be discussing very important topic that is Accenture shuttle services. Yes, you heard it right. Many of you might not be knowing Accenture provides free shuttle services across the city. You might be at one end of the city and you need to reach office, which is at the other corner of the city, and don't need to get into this public transport or cab, don't need to spend your money over there. While Accenture provides free shuttle services, you can comfortably go to office and come back from office. I'll be showing you in detail like what are the requirements, how you can book this shuttle services, who all are eligible. I'll tell you everything in detail. Please stay tuned. And if you want any videos, if you have any doubts related to Accenture, whether it is your salary hike, your shuttle services, or let it be anything, 5,000 rupees benefits point, your preventive health checkup. All videos are on our informative YouTube channel. You can go and check out our channel. You can get every information regarding to Accenture, Cognizant, or any other company. So let's start our today's video. So first of all, first mandatory thing you need to have if you want to book a shuttle, that is confirmed seat booking is mandatory. You must have a confirmed seat booking in ACP portal, Accenture ACP portal, before you can book a shuttle. Without a confirmed seat, your seat may not be available in the shuttle services. So first book your seat in ACP. Once confirmed, then you can book a shuttle. So if you don't know what is ACP, it is a tool where you can book your seats in the office. If you are visiting any facility, example CDC 11. So in CDC 11, you need to book one seat. This is mandatory. Everyone might be knowing about this. Still, if you don't know, if you want link for this ACP, please let ping in the comment section. I can give you the link for this as well. Right? After you book your seat, and if you want a video how to book your seat in ACP portal, you can comment that as well. It's very simple. I can show you that as well. After you book your seat in ACP portal, you'll be automatically eligible to book your seat in the shuttle. So access to the shuttle portal. So you might be having the link. If you don't have, again, you can transport. So go to Accenture transportation portal, log in with your Accenture credentials. After you log in, there will be option to reserve a shuttle. As you can see over in the screen, I have given few details where you need to select your facility. Example, you want to go or you want to come from BDC 7 facility. You need to select the trip date, on which date you want to avail this facility, the shuttle facility. And in the mode section, you can select pick or drop. Either you want pick up from your home to office, either you want to drop. You can do both. The shuttles are available. And reservation purpose, you can keep it as hybrid. It will be, by default hybrid itself. Then gender, you can select your gender if you are male or female. After selecting the gender, you can go to the next section, that is fill in the reservation details. So as I told you, you need to select the facility, the trip date, the mode, that is pick up or drop, and your shift details, your location, and the landmark to your location. Example, I have given some example over here. If you select location as Domasandra, what is the landmark near to that location? There will be reservation purpose, your gender, and route ID and mobile number. You need to give all these details. After you fill in your details, you just need to click on the next button. So there will be option to search routes. So click on search routes to view available shuttle routes based on your selection. Now select the appropriate route. They'll give you the route, like if you select A to B location, so which route they're going. You can select the shortest route for you so that you can save some time. Right? After you select the route, you can just click on the reserve button. Ensure all details are correct before reserving your seat. So you can see over here down routes available, it will show you the distance and everything similarly. Right? After this, you can click on reserve button. So important rules and guidelines, book in advance. So book your seat at least 24 hours in advance, right? One day, one booking per day. You can make only one booking per day, right? So either pick up or drop. You cannot make two bookings per day. This is one of the rules. Personal use only. Shuttle services and for Accenture employees only. Do not transfer your booking to others. You cannot, transfer it. So punctuality, be at pickup point 10 minutes before the scheduled time. Otherwise, they might leave you and go. Right? Cancel if not traveling. Cancel your booking if you're not traveling. This helps other to get a seat. Right? This is basic. You need to cancel if you're not traveling. No show policy. So frequent no show may lead to booking restrictions. Follow shuttle etiquette, maintain cleanliness, and be respectful. Safety first. So follow all the safety guidelines. Wear seatbelt at all times if they are available in the buses. If they are not, it's a fine, right? So these rules ensure safe, reliable, and comfortable shuttle experience for everyone, as we all know. Then after this, there might be a doubt, right? For a few people from your location, you're not able to select the route or you're not able to get a shuttle services, right? In that case, what you need to do if you're not having shuttle services from your home to the Accenture facility? So there is a process, as you can see, go to the service now Accenture portal. So if you need link for this also, you can comment down. So click on create new and go to selection, transportation and shuttle services. You can fill in the required details and submit the form, right? So if you don't have this, you can raise a request, raise an FCR if you need help, right? You can do this. So once if we go to the summary before concluding this, first of all, you need to have a ACP confirmed seat. That is mandatory. Then you need to access the shuttle portal, log in using your Accenture credentials, fill in the reservation details. You need to search for routes, reserve for seat, like important rules, and if raise the FCR if you have any issues. That's the summary. I hope this was helpful to you guys, right? And few FAQs, frequently asked questions. So do I need confirm seat? As I told you, yes, you need to have a confirm seat. How far how far in advance can I book a shuttle? So you can book shuttle up to 7 days in advance, right? Up to 7 days in advance. So can you cancel booking? Yes, you can cancel the booking. Can I book for someone else? No, you cannot book for someone else. What should I do if shuttle does not arrive on time? Please wait for few minutes. Otherwise, raise an FCR as I told you earlier. Whom should I contact for help and queries? Same thing, FCR. If you have any doubts, you can drop down in the comment section. Any doubt, we'll reply to you as soon as possible. And if you want any help, please let us know in the comment section and the links as well. We'll share you everything. Thank you for watching this today's video.